do that. Somebody's asking me, are you married, Alex? No, I recently got divorced 1.5 years ago, so I am a single, free, independent woman. But here is a trick. If I decide to go back on the market, or if I am gonna be looking to remarry somebody, which I will eventually, it has to be person who has nothing to do with trucking, because two people in trucking cannot live under the same roof. So that was actually the cause of my divorce, because too much stress running companies and blah blah blah. So unfortunately, anybody in trucking is not on the list of me going on a date or anything else. So no, and no, not making that mistake again. But thank you for asking. And you probably can understand that, right? Same with the friendships, right? I make a lot of friends in logistics and trucking, but I love to hang out with my friends who have different businesses, because I'm so tired of talking about trucking, the market, the drivers, challenges, that sometimes I just want to go for dinner or drinks and talk about maybe politics, religion, about traveling. So lately I've been separating my friends. So if I really want to have a break from trucking industry, I go and I hang out with people who is in beauty, who is in doctors, and I have a lot of people in sales. And there is a rule for people when we go out and we do deal with trucking industry. So the rule is, let's not talk about trucking. But here's the reality, guys. For the last 13 years, we last maybe 10-15 minutes, and after 10-15 minutes we go back to freaking trucking. And that's why I don't like to hang out with people who are running trucking company, who are also dispatchers, because I need a break from trucking.